Today, I'll walk you through how to live record audio or video in your notes using Microsoft OneNote Desktop, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to capture your thoughts and ideas in real time so you can enhance your note-taking experience. To get started, open your OneNote Desktop app. This is the digital canvas where your creativity and organization come to life. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Next, navigate to the page where you want to place your audio or video recording. Think of this as choosing the perfect spot in a garden to plant your seeds. This is where your ideas will grow. Now click on the Insert tab at the top of your screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options to add various elements to your notes. From here, choose whether you want to record audio or video. This is like deciding between capturing a beautiful sunset in a photo or a video. Each has its unique charm. Once you've made your selection, the toolbar will change to display recording controls including play, pause, and stop buttons. This is your command center for capturing your thoughts. When you stop the recording, a file will automatically be placed on your page. Click on that file to see your recording. It's like unwrapping a gift. You'll be able to revisit your thoughts anytime you need them. And there you have it. You now know how to live record audio or video in your notes using Microsoft OneNote Desktop. This feature not only enhances your note-taking, but also allows you to capture ideas in the moment, making your notes more dynamic and engaging. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.